Hello and warm greetings, everybody. This is English for Ethiopia, grade 9, presented by Tesfaye. How are you students so far? ሰላም እንደምን አላችሁ ውድ ተማሪዎች? ይህ የዘጠነኛ ክፍል የእንግሊዝኛ ቋንቋ ትምህርት ነው። Welcome to our second video. ተማሪዎች እንግዲህ በዛሬው ዩኒት 9 video 2 we'll discuss about some simple past and perfect tenses in detail. Before we try to see main pointers for today in this video or video 2, it's better to remind you what we learned so far. That is at the beginning of the unit 9, that is reading passage and listening. Totally we discussed about some vocabularies extracted from both listening and reading passage. In addition to that, I told you about the phrasal verbs explained in matching. For example, what cross off means crack down and cut back and cut down. What are the meaning of this phrasal verbs? So please, I advise you to practice a lot about them. Today, we'll see unit 9 video 2. That is the simple past and the present perfect tense. I think you have been introduced for these pointers in unit 8. Here in this video, we'll discuss in detail. Are you ready, students? Well, unit 8, you were introduced with the present perfect tense and positive, negative question from the present perfect tense and its form with your partner. It says it's extracted from your textbook, as you see here. In this unit, you'll learn about the forms and function of the present perfect tense in comparison with the past tense. So, what is the difference between the present perfect tense and the simple past tense? We'll see here in detail. The first one, activity 9.9. Read the following dialogue and look at how the present perfect tense and the simple past tense. The simple past tenses are used in the partner's email. Ask and answer questions about each other's passion. This is a practice. Dialogue, for example. So you have been playing the flute ever since you were a child. Do you remember last time I told you about after since you're gonna use the past tense? You see. So you have been playing the flute ever since you were a child. So the second part of after since we use that simple past tense. Do you remember this point? So the first tense is present perfect continuous tense, and the second part of the sentence after since you were a child. This is simple past tense. Okay. So don't forget this one. If you are given like this, the second part of the sentence, or this is simple past tense. I don't know that, it says. I have always loved it. So you can practice this one. So forms of the simple past tense. Here is the example. He played football with his friends. He played. What kind of sentence is this? This is simple past tense. And he cut his finger when he chopped the onion. When he chopped. By the way, the past form of cut is cut. It is the same. I want to show you here, in addition to this word, you can see here some words are unchanged. When you change simple past from present to simple past form, for example, cat, as it is past form is cat, it is unchanged. So how do you know? How do you know whether it is present or simple past? There are some techniques, okay? So when there is a past indicator, like yesterday, last week, I think you remember this technique is to identify simple past tense. So if you get the words, or phrases, this cat is considered as simple past tense. ለምሳሌ ይሄኛው he cut his finger when he chopped the onion. when he chopped the onion indicated we are talking about the past, so cut is the simple past tense. ፎርማቸው ግን ተመሳሳይ ነው። ኦኬ cut 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 that is the same, don't forget it. አንዳንድ ሲምፕል ፓስት ቴንስ ስትጠቀሙ ወርዱ ተመሳሳይ ነው። ብዙ ጊዜ አድቫይዝ አድርጋቸዋለሁ የወርዶችን the present simple past and past participle please try to check ይህን ወርዶችን ሲምፕል ፓስት ቴንስ ፎርሙ ምን እንደሆነ ካላወቃችሁ you can't answer questions. okay, so list of words ይኖራሉ እነሱን ማንበብ ትችላላችሁ። So they ate their dinner together. Ate, this is simple past tense. Look here, ate. This is a simple past form. The students studied. This is study. Studied. When there is y, you can change y to I first, like this. Look at this letter. So you can change y to I, then add ed. This is the simple past form of studied. So those words are simply listed in the past tense, but I think you have idea about regular and irregular verbs. Regular የምንላቸው ለማስታወስ ያክል ነው የምጽፍላችሁ። regular and irregular ሪማይንድ ለማድረግ ያክል ብቻ ነው የምጽፍላችሁ። so ate ይሄ ምንድነው ማለት ነው? ኢዲ አይጨምርም። ስለዚህ ምንድነው ሶሪ ይሄኛው መጥፋት ይኖርበታል። የኢት ኤት ነው፣ ኢሬጉላር ነው ማለት ነው። ኢት ነው the main word here is eat ነው ዋናው verb. So the simple past form is ate. Another one is when you talk about regular, like walk, for example here, or you can take the example played. This ed form, okay? ed form ስለሚወስድ ምን ብለን እንጠራዋለን? regular verb ብለን እንጠራዋለን ማለት ነው። So when you talk about simple past tense, don't forget regular and irregular. This is elementary for you. Please እነዚህን practice አድርጉት። The negative sentence with the present perfect tense and simple past tense. The negative form of the simple past tense developed using the verb did not, the infinitive form of the verb. Negative form. I want to show you here negative form. The negative form. Here is I think the auxiliary that is do or does. Okay. Actually, when you talk about the simple past tense, no difference at all. For example, let me show you here. If you say she, when the present perfect, simple present tense, you can say does. Yes, yeah. And if you say they, you can say do. Yeah, when you talk about simple present tense. But the past form of this word is the same, did. That is a did. Okay. So the negative form is negative, did not, or when you contract it, didn't, in short, okay? And then the main verb without change. Don't use the verb in past tense form. And that's it. When you get did, the coming action verb is in present form because did is a past indicator. Okay? And that's routine. He didn't play football with his friends. He didn't play. Okay? He didn't play means did is the past. Look, did. Let me show you here. He didn't play football. Okay, so you can underline this one. Didn't play, did. This is a simple past tense, so don't forget the second coming main or actual verb should be in present form because did is the indicator. Did የሚለው past መሆኑን አመልካች ስለሆነ ማለት ነው ውድ ተማሪዎች። Next one is when you talk about the question form of the simple past tense. ለምሳሌ ይህንን መውሰድ ትችላላችሁ። did he play? He didn't play, yeah? So take the auxiliary at the beginning of the sentence, yeah? At the beginning of the sentence. So, did he play? When it is negative, this is positive. Football, this is positive sentence. Positive, okay? When you change to question, don't forget this one. The second didn't እንዳለ መውሰድ ነው። እሺ ይሄንን ተወስዱታላችሁ። So didn't he play? ያያችሁት? ይሄንን በዚህ መጠቀም ትችላላችሁ ማለት ነው። In short, bring the auxiliary verb at the beginning of a sentence, then followed by the subject, and then the action verb. Okay, you can see here the question form of the simple past tense is didn't, and then the subject, and then the main verb or the infinitive. That is clear, yes? ስለዚህ ይህንን ፎርም በመጠቀም መስራት ትችላላችሁ። Simple past verbs help us to express action which were done in the past. Therefore, all actions in the example given above indicate action that were done in the past. Past ላይ የተፈጸሙ መሆናቸውን የሚያሳይ ነው ማለት ነው። In short, when we talk about action or simple past tense, something happened in the past and completed in the past, okay? This is the general implication of the tense. So, some activities began sometime in the past and completed in the past. Now you are narrating. ወይም ናሬት እያደረግን ነው ማለት ነው። በዚህ ሰዓት ተማሪዎች ወይም እየተረክን ነው ማለት ነው። because the action is completed ስላለፈ ነገር ነው የምናወራው ማለት ነው። totally the action is completed even it has no connection with now. Okay, this is the main implication of the simple past. Okay, the next one, we'll come to next activity 9.10. Give the correct simple past form of the verbs given in brackets in the following sentences. So you're going to use the right form of the verb given in brackets if you understand the main idea of what simple past means. Next, question number 1. I dashed my work last night. Let me remind you about the indicators, students. Do you remember the indicators when you talk about the past or when you narrate about the past? That is the main point before we tackle the question given here, students. Now, words like yesterday or last week, night, months or year. Okay, እነዚህ ነገሮች ካሉ ምን እንጠቀማለን ማለት ነው? ያለፈ ነገር ነው ናሬት የምናደርገው ማለት ነው። So this is the indicator for you. When you talk about the past or when you narrate about the past, these are the indicator for you. So if you get the word is, simply you can use simple past. Is that clear for you? Good job. Now, here the first question it says, I dashed my work last night. Last night is the indicator for you, yes? So, number 1, last night. Actually, here, last night is the indicator. So, you can use the past form of finish, that is finished. So, you can add ed form. So, finished. Okay. By the way, this question is, all the questions given here are, it is known, it is obvious you are going to use the simple past. ምን አይነት ቴንስ እንደምትጠቀሙ it is obvious አይደለ? ስለዚህ ግን ትክክለኛውን ፎርም ትጠቀማላችሁ ወይስ አትጠቀሙም የሚለው ነው እንጂ the question is already, it's obvious you are going to use the simple past tense, or it is all about narration, right? So the answer is ed form, that it finished. When it comes to second part of the sentence, when I dash school, I dash my hair and dash it short ever since. I think you can use simple past or narration. So let me show you the answer, right? So when I leave that is leave, left. If you know the right V2 or simple past form, you can answer easily. A second part of the sentence, I dash my hair, and it says add, but it should be end. So whether a right past form here, cat, it is unchanged. Okay, next where, the past form were, W-O-R-E, were, when the past form. Okay, how many of you got the answer? ስንቶቻችሁ ናቸው በትክክል የመለሳችሁት? Great job if you answer it well. If you don't know the past form, please visit list of vocabularies or words and their past form. Number 3, question number 3. Number 3. It says, I dash reading the book. It is a nice story. Enjoyed, yes. Enjoy. Here is enjoyed. This is the past form. I think it is very easy, yes. እዚህ ጋር ኢንስትራክሽኑን በደንብ ይዩት። ሲምፕል ፓስት ቴንስ ነው የምንጠቀም ሁሉም ጋር ስለሚታወቅ ማለት ነው። Number 4. Did you dash your homework? I have just told you, when you get did at the beginning, the next action should be in present form. When the present form መሆን አለበት፣ ምክንያቱም did past indicator ስለሆነ. You can't use two past tense at the same time, two actions at the same time in the simple past tense form. Okay, good. Number 4. The right answer is did you. This is a question form, yes. Did you do your homework? This is the action one. So this is a question form. Don't forget it. And number 5, I dash in the stadium when you dash me. So be here is, I think, be verb is like if, er. So when you talk about this word, this is a simple past form. It is I. Number 5. Which one is the right form? B means, I told you last time, so is, here is here is er. So the right answer is, when you change this to simple past tense, was here and were here. Okay, now I was in the stadium. So the right answer is I was in the stadium when you called me. When you called me, call. Here is called. Okay, now this is the right answer. Change the sentences given into negative question form. It says into negative question form. He wore his hair long when he was at school. Okay, understand the question form. Change the sentences in given into negative question form. So we are going to use a negative form. Okay, so the first answer should be here. First, change it to negative. He wore his hair long when he was at school. So we can say he, number 1, he didn't wear, yes, he didn't wear his hair. You can continue. ይቀጥላል አይደለ? እዚህ ጋር ነው የምትቀይሩት። didn't wear አያችሁት? were, it is a simple past when it is a statement ሲሆን ምን ይሆናል ማለት ነው? where, or ቅድም የነገርኳችሁ ነው። where this is V1 and were here. were. So negative ስታረጉት ምን ይሆናል? he didn't wear ይሆናል ማለት ነው። when you change this to question form, ወደ question ስትቀይሩት ምን ይሆናል ማለት ነው? didn't he wear ይቀጥላል። ሌላው መቀጠል ትችላላችሁ። So you can bring the auxiliary, that is did, at the beginning, followed by the subject, then the action verb. Don't forget the form. ፎርሙን ማስታወስ ትችላላችሁ ማለት ነው። Second part of the question, my brother wrote several short stories. You can change to negative first. My brother, here is using negative, my brother. When you get action verb, don't forget to use do or does. And it is simple past form, did. Now you are talking about the simple past tense, yes? So use did when you talk about action. So my brother wrote several short stories. When it changes to negative, my brother didn't wrote የሚሆነው ምን ይሆናል ማለት ነው? right ወደ v1 ትመልሱታላችሁ ማለት ነው። because right, okay, wrote W-R-O-T-E, written v3 ምን ይሆናል? written ይሆናል። so my brother didn't write, that is the right answer when you change it to negative. So if you wanted to change this negative to question form, you can say didn't, question form, didn't, then didn't my brother write, then you can finish. ስለዚህ ይሄ ነው የሚሆነው ማለት ነው። the next one is ሶስተኛውን እንሰራና ሌሎችን ደግሞ በራሳችሁ የምትሞክሩት ይሆናል። he smoked for 2 weeks. Now he is trying to give up. This is the phrasal verb. Give up means stop. አንድ ነገር መተው ወይም ማቆም ጊቭ አፕ እንላለን። never give up ለምሳሌ ተስፋ አትቁረጥ እንላለን። የተለያዩ ኮንቴክስት ያለ actually here is give up means stop. So he smoked for 2 weeks. So when you change to negative first, he didn't smoke. Okay, he didn't smoke for 2 weeks. When you change to question form, didn't he smoke? Don't use smoked because there is did here. ስለዚህ እነዚህን በዚህ መንገድ መጠቀም ትችላላችሁ ማለት ነው። But there are some words which is unchanged when you talk about present and past. For example, read. It is unchanged. Question number 5. read የሚለው ምንድን ነው? አይቀየርም፣ ተመሳሳይ ነው። presentም pastም ተመሳሳይ ነው። Okay. So again and again, I want to tell you, try to study the past tense form of some words. Now, the following dialogue consists of the different forms, positive, negative question of the present perfect tense. We have written the first two in bold for you. Can you identify the rest? First, what do you know about the present perfect tense? Have and then v3 form, yes? እንግዲህ have እና has then v3 form መሆኑን ፎርሙን በደንብ ማስታወስ አለባችሁ። so present perfect tense, perfect. Okay, ይህንን ዲቴል ፎርም ሪማይንድ እያረኳችሁ ነው, but I told you last time has or maybe have then v3 form. This is the form. So, have you finished that report yet? No, I haven't finished that report. I'm still working on it. No, I haven't finished. Something is still incomplete. Or something is continuous up to now. መሆኑን ባለፈ ተረድታችኋል። ስለዚህ ይህን ዲያሎግ ልታነቡት ትችላላችሁ ማለት ነው። Forms of the present perfect tense. You can study this one. ልታነቡት ትችላላችሁ. I have studied. Form. Look. There is a subject. I have and has ብለናል። studied. This reform. studied. ስለዚህ ኢንፎርም በዚህ ማየት ትችላላችሁ። The next one is negative. I haven't. Negative have followed by haven't here. Haven't. Don't forget. When you change it to question form, bring the auxiliary at the beginning. Auxiliary ነው መጀመሪያ የምታመጡት. So have I studied? have I studied? ይህንን በዚህ መንገድ መስራት ትችላላችሁ ማለት ነው። she has played volleyball. she hasn't played. it's negative form. has she played volleyball? or negative question ከፈለጋችሁ ደግሞ haven't I studied? okay, ይህንን መጠቀም ትችላላችሁ ማለት ነው። so far you have learned about the present perfect and the simple past tense. The two tenses have different or they have differences. What are the differences between the present perfect tense and simple past tense? In the following table, the difference between two tenses are presented. Read each of the differences carefully and try to learn more from the examples given, it says. Now, before I tell you from the table, let me remind you again, when you talk about simple past tense, you are talking about something happened in the past and finished in the past. It has no continuous relation with the present. But when you talk about the present perfect tense, something began sometime in the past and continues up to now, or maybe the result. አክሽኑ ሊያልቅም ይችላል፣ እስካሁን እየቀጠለ ሊሆን ይችላል፣ ወይም ደግሞ ሪዛልቱ አፌክት ያደርጋል ማለት ነው። ውጤቱ አሁንን ሊረብሽብን ይችላል፣ ወይም ደግሞ ከአሁን ጋር ግንኙነት አለው ማለት ነው። ለምሳሌ ባለፈው I have known, let me give you here. I have known Tamirat. I have known Tamirat for 10 years. ይህንን መልከተው። I have known Tamirat. I have known is the present perfect tense. For 10 years, this is for and since. ነግራችኋለሁ ባለፈው። For indicates duration of time or length of time. And since indicates starting point of time ብለናል። So I have known Tamirat for 10 years means still I know him. Still እስካሁን ታውቁታላችሁ ማለት ነው። እንደዛ ከሆነ still I know him ማለት ነው። ኦኬ፣ ስለዚህ ኮንቲኒየስ ነው ማለት ነው up to now. But I knew Tamirat. I knew. Make this one simple past tense A. This is B. I knew. Simple past form. Knew ነው አይደለ? I knew Tamirat for 10 years gone. That means almost you cut your relation. የሆነ ሰዓት ነበር የምታውቁት ማለት ነው። so maybe አሁን in confusion ልትሆኑ ትችላላችሁ, or you have no relation with him. እንዲህ አይነት ትርጉም ይኖራል። so let me show you practically here. Present perfect tense unfinished action is that started in the past and continue to the present. አያችሁት? ቅድም ያልኳችሁ ለዛ ነው። I have known Jolly for 10 years and I still know her. እስካሁን ታውቋታላችሁ ማለት። I have known, she has known, we have known, he has known ካላችሁ ምንድን ነው ማለት ነው? ፕሬዘንት ፐርፌክት ቴንስ ነው። ምንድነው ትርጉም? still you know her. Let's say I have known Jelly for 10 years. እስካሁን ጀሊን ለ10 years ታውቋታለሁ። በፕሬዘንት ፐርፌክት ቴንስ ነው የተገለጸው። ስለዚህ እስካሁን ታውቋታላችሁ ማለት ነው። I knew Jelly for 10 years, but then she moved away and we lost in touch. ምንድነው? ለ10 ዓመት ያክል አውቃት ነበር ማለት ነው። ከዛ በኋላ you have no touch, or maybe you change your village, or she changed her village. ቦታ መቀየር ሊሆን ይችላል, or you have no touch with him or her now. ይሄ ነው ትርጉሙ። እሺ፣ so you can use in daily communication, don't forget it. በኮሚኒኬሽን ልትጠቀሙ ትችላላችሁ ይሄንን። Let me show you the second part of the sentence. Shows finished action. My brother has been to Asmara 3 times. ይሄኛው ምንድነው? finished ሊሆን ይችላል። shows my brother has been to Asmara 3 times. What does it mean? ይሄኛው 3 ጊዜ ሄዷል አስመራ። The action is finished. እዚህ ጋር shows finished action ይላል። ግራ እንዳትጋቡ ነው። Let me show you here. look, have been or has been, this one has been and have been, ሁለቱም እዚህ ጋር እስኪ ተመልከቷቸው። My brother has been to Asmara 3 times and my great grandmother went to Asmara 3 times. ሁለቱም finished action ናቸው. But it doesn't mean the meaning is absolutely similar. ትርጉማቸው ግን ተመሳሳይ ነው ማለት አይደለም። ኦኬ አንድ ሰው እንደዛ ቢነግራችሁ My brother has been to Asmara 3 times means you have an experience. You can say something about Asmara. ስለ አስመራ የሆነ ነገር ልትሉ ትችላላችሁ። Or the result has connection with the present. ከፕሬዘንት ጋር የሚገናኝ ነገር ይኖረዋል። 3 times 3 ጊዜ አስመራ ነበርኩኝ ወይም አዲስ አበባ ነበርኩ፣ ጅማ ነበርኩ ለ3 ጊዜ ጎብኝቻለሁ ብትሉ in fact the action is finished. ድርጊቱ ተፈጽሞ አልፏል። But you are talking about your experience. My great grandmother went to Asmara 3 times. ይሄኛው ደግሞ went go አይደለ past tense ነው አይደል go went። ይሄኛው ትርጉም ግን you might forget it ረስታችሁ ሊሆን ይችላል ማለት ነው። ትረካ ነው ኤክስፒሪየንስ ሳይሆን in fact ኤክስፒሪየንስ ይኖራል አይኖርም ማለት አይደለም። ግን ምንድነው you narrated. You may forget what Asmara looks like. ለምሳሌ አስመራ ምን እንደሚመስል ሊጠፋባችሁ ይችላል። ይሄኛው ግን ኤክስፒሪየንሳችሁን የምትገልጹበት ነው ማለት ነው። So still you have fresh memory ማለት ነው። fresh memory ነው ያላችሁ ማለት ነው። ኦኬ ያ ነው ዲፍረንሱ እና ይሄንን በደንብ ማወቅ ይኖርባችኋል። ስፔሻሊ ስፒች ላይ ነው ይሄን የምንጠቀሙት። ኦኬ አንድ ሰው እንዲህ ብሎ ቢገልጽላችሁ ትርጉሙ ማወቅ አለባችሁ። ለምሳሌ አንድ ሰው ተነስቶ I was in Addis Ababa 2 times አላችሁ። I was in Bahir Dar 2 times. I was in Harar 3 times ቢላችሁ እና I have been Harar 2 times ቢላችሁ ዲፍረንሱን በደንብ ማወቅ አለባችሁ። ኢምፕሊኬሽኑ what the speaker wanna say to you. This is the main point. I have lost my key. ባለፈ ነግራችኋለሁ present perfect tense ሳስረዳችሁ finished action with a result in the present ያለቀ ነው። ሪዛልቱ ግን አሁን ጋር ግንኙነት ይኖራል በቀጥታ። I have lost my key. ቁልፌ ጠፍቶኛል። I have lost. The result is that I can't get into my house. ሪዛልቱ ምንድን ነው ማለት ነው? እየሞከራችሁ ይሆናል። ይሄን I have lost my key ስትሉ you want to get in the home, the room. So መግባት ፈልጋችኋል። No, I have lost my key. I'm sorry, I can't open it now. አሁን መክፈት አልችልም እያላችሁ ነው። ስለዚህ ሪዛልቱ ነው። The action is finished, but the result has connection with the present. Don't forget it. Next, a finished action with no result in the present. I lost my key yesterday. It was terrible. Now there is no result. I got new key yesterday. I got new keys yesterday. ስለዚህ ትናንት ነው የጣላችሁ። ስለዚህ you're gonna find a solution. It has no connection with now. ምናልባት ባለፈ ጠፍቶ ባለፈ መፍትሄ ሊፈለግለትም ላይፈለግለትም ይችላል. But no connection with the present. Next, with unfinished time phrase. This week, this month, today. Unfinished time phrase. I have seen John this week. ለምሳሌ this week ስትሉ የትኛው? There are 7 days of a week. So with unfinished time phrase, time indicates ትናንት ከትናንት ወዲያ last month. right now ለምሳሌ ኤፕሪል ከሆነ or ማርች ከሆነ ምን እንላለን? last month ካልን ይታወቃል። let's say ፌብሩዋሪ ላይ አንድ ነገር ብታወሩ ላስት መንዝ ካላችሁ ጃንዋሪ ነው እያወራችሁ ያላችሁት አይደል? ሰው ግልጽ ነው። this week ካላችሁ የትኛው? that Monday, Tuesday or Wednesday is unknown. Unfinished time phrase ያላለቀ የጊዜ አመልካች this week በእንደዛ መጠቀም ይቻላል present perfect tense. with finished time phrase last week, last month, yesterday. I saw John last week. I saw John last week. It is finished. it has a connection with now. And the time indicator last week ባለፈው ሳምንት this week ላይ ምንም ግንኙነት የለም ማለት ነው። you are in this week when you narrate about the past ለምሳሌ ባለፈው ሳምንት ስትሉ እዚህኛው ሳምንት ላይ ሁናችሁ ነው። ያኛው ሳምንት already it is finished. That's the meaning difference. ግልጽ ነው ብዬ አስባለሁ። so how do you identify ምናልባት ፎርሙን በማየት ሴንቴንሶችን በመረዳት ሊሆን ይችላል ማለት ነው የምትገነዘቡ ተማሪዎች። Now, activity 9.12, use the present perfect or simple past form of the word is in parentheses to complete the interview. It says, interview lesson complete እናደርጋለን with the right form of word is in parentheses, a bracket. So, how long have you been? ይሄኛው ምንድን ነው የሚሆነው? How long indicates duration of time or length of time. How long ብለን ነው so I have been ብለን ነው የምንገልጸው ማለት ነው። so how long have you been a snake catcher? Yalamorg, this is the dialogue. Yalamorg, I have this job for over 10 years. ምንድነው የሚሆነው? duration of time ስለሚያሳይ I have had this job. I have had ownership, this simple past tense present perfect tense መሆኑን ያሳየናል ማለት ነው። ይህንን መጠቀም አለባችሁ። Sarah, when you became interested in snakes, he says, so when question number, actually there is a Sarah in በደንብ ልጻፍላችሁና የተወሰነ ኤግዛምፕል ነው የምናየው። ኦኬ so when have you become okay, when have you become, this is the right form of word. When I dash a kid and the snakes fascinate me ever since then, it says, you are talking about narration here. So when I was a kid and it says, so snakes have snakes have fascinated me. ለምንድን ነው ፕሬዘንት ፐርፌክት የተጠቀምነው እዚህ ጋር ተማሪዎች? ምክንያቱም ምንድን ነው ስቲል ሂዝ ስኔክ ካቸር ነው፣ ስኔክ ነው የሚይዘው። ስለዚህ እስካሁን ኤቨር ሲንስ ዜን ይላል። ከዛ በኋላ ኤቨር ሲንስ ኢንዲኬትድ the length of time up to the present, so you can use present perfect tense ይህን እንጠቀማለን ማለት ነው። ኔክስት እንግዲህ ሌሎቹም በዚህ መንገድ you can finish። ለምሳሌ when ያለማወቅ when I dash a kid የሚለውን ለምንድን ነው ያልነው? ናሬሽን ስለሆነ ከአሁን ጋር ደግሞ ሙያው ደግሞ አሁን ጋር ግንኙነት ስላለው ነው። ስለዚህ በዚህ መንገድ ጨርሷቸው። ኔክስት now read Tefera's diary and complete with the verbs in brackets into the simple past or the present perfect tense ይላል። Well, students, now I think you are in the right mood to complete the sentences because you get some important information about it. That is the present perfect tense and the simple past tense. Yesterday, my grandfather. Yesterday is a past indicator. Yes, past indicator. Yesterday, last month, last week. ካሉ ምንድነው የምንጠቀመው ብለናል? Past tense ነው። So yesterday my grandfather told me about his adventures, and then I learn a lot of things about him. ስለዚህ ምንድነው የሚሆነው? ሁለቱም past tell, here is told and learn it. Great. This is the simple past form. The next one, he dash traveled to different cities since 1960. Since 1960 indicates the second part is that is since and there is year. So since ስላለክ መጀመሪያ የሚመጣው ሴንተንስ ምንድነው? ፕሬዘንት ፐርፌክት ቴንስ ነው ማለት ነው። እሺ ሪዝኔብል ሁኑ ጥያቄውን ስትሞሉት። So he dash traveled to different cities since 9 starting here is starting time or point of time እዚህ ጋር ሲንስ አለ። ስለዚህ ቀድሞ የሚመጣው ጥያቄ እዚህ ጋር ቀድሞት የሚመጣው ምን ይሆናል ማለት ፕሬዘንት ፐርፌክት ቴንስ ይሆናል ማለት ነው። don't forget it. Great students. So traveled. He I'm talking about question number 3. So he has traveled ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ግልጽ ነው። ስለዚህ በደንብ እየተረዳችሁ እንደሆነ አምናለሁ። The next question, he does already visit Asella and Gaba. He has already visited. Number 4 has already visited. ኦልሬዲ ካለ ምንድነው የሚሆነው? በመካከል ነው። በሜን ቨርባችን እና በኦክሲላሪ ቨርብ መካከል። I want to say something about already. ስለ already ምን ታውቃላችሁ? Okay. Have you cooked your meal? እንደዚህ ብዬ ብጠይቃችሁ have you cooked your meal? ምግባችሁን ሰርታችኋል ተብላችሁ ብትጠየቁ ምንድነው? አሁን what is my expectation? Yes, I have already cooked ብትሉኝ ምንድነው የሚሆነው? already indicates something happens sooner than expectation. already indicates something happened sooner than expected. ምግብህን አላበሰልክም ወይም አብስልሃል ተብላችሁ ብትጠየቁ ያ ቀድሜ ነው የጨረስኩት እንደማለት ነው። I have already ማለት አንተ ከመጠየቅ በፊት ወይም አንተ ከምትጠብቀው በፊት ነገሮች ተከናውነዋል ማለት ምን እንላለን ማለት ነው? I have already done የሚለው የትኛውን አክሽን ቨርብ እያስገባችሁ ተጠቀሙ። So I have already done this. Something happened sooner than our expectation. Okay? ይህንን በደንብ እንድትይዙ ስለፈለኩ ነው። The next one is he and my father met in 1973 when the year is past indicator in this context indicator ስለዚህ ዓመተ ምህረት ስለሆነ ምንድነው ማለት ነው? ሲምፕል ፓስት ቴንስ ነው የሚሆነው ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ new is the right answer. New is the right answer. That's the number 5. I'm talking about number 5. The next one is question number. They dash already be to Samara for a men's too. So they have already been. Okay, they have already been ማለት ትችላላችሁ። እዚህ ጋር ትርጉሙ እንደዛ ስለሆነ ማለት ነው። to Samara they have already been. And number 6 have already been እንደ V3 ነው የምትወስዱት ይሄንን። ኦኬ ቢ ቨርብስ ምንድነው የሚሆነው? ፓስት ፓርቲሲፕላቸው ቢን ስለሚሆን ማለት ነው። ግሬት ጆብ ስቱደንትስ። ሌሎቹን እንግዲህ እናንተ ልጨርሷቸው ትችላላችሁ ማለት ነው። ለመናገር ያክል ምናልባት 7ኛ በፕሬዘንት ፐርፌክት ቴንስ ነው የምትሰሩት። 8ኛ ሲምፕል ፓስት ቴንስ ነው። ለምንድን ነው? the next one is number 10 number 10ም ሲምፕል ፓስት ቴንስ ነው የምትጠቀሙት። 11 ፕሬዘንት ፐርፌክት ቴንስ ነው። ስለዚህ በዚህ መንገድ ኮምፕሊት ልታደርጉ ትችላላችሁ ማለት ነው። let's come to the next question, the next exercise, activity 9.1 for choose the correct answer that best complete the sentence. Where dash last means, okay, here is the right choice. So where dash last means did he go, he went, have gone, it says. So where did he go? So A is the right answer. Okay, where did he go? Where, number 1, where did he go? The question form. question የምትጠቀሙት እንደዚህ ነው ማለት ነው። The next one is dash you ever dash a wall tiger. እንደዚህ አይነት ever ስታገኙ ever go, it's not always actually, ብዙ ጊዜ ግን most of the time ever goes with present perfect tense. Okay, ብዙ ጊዜ present perfect tense ጋር ነው የምንጠቀመው። so have you ever been somewhere? So the right answer is have you ever የሚለውን ስንመለከት ምንድነው up to now እስካሁን ድረስ እንዲህ አድርገህ ታውቃለህ ወይ ለማለት ነው የምንጠቀመው። so have you ever done something ማለት ምንድነው? up to now የሆነ ነገር ማድረግ አለማድረጋችን ለመጠየቅ ever እንጠቀማለን። so have you እዚህ ጋር have you ever አድርጎት ይችኛል። have you ever done something ማለት up to now in your life it asks about your life experience ለመጠየቅ ስትፈልጉ have you ever done something እንዲህ አድርገህ ታውቃለህ ብላችሁ ታውቃለህ ማለት እስካሁኑ ጊዜ ማለት ነው። ግልጽ ነው አይደል? ሰው እንደዚህ ፕራክቲስ ልታደርጉ ትችላላችሁ። ስለዚህ ኤቨር እንደ አይነት ነገሮች ሲኖሩ ፕሬዘንት ፐርፌክት ቴንስ ነው የምንጠቀመው። ሶ have you ever seen a wall tiger ነው የሚሆነው። I have studied English 5 years 5 years የሚለውን አስምሩበት። 5 years. so this is duration or length of time ነው አይደለ? እዚህኛው ጋር ደግሞ I have studied ይላል። ፕሬዘንት ፐርፌክት ቴንስ ነው። ምንድን ነው length of time ከሆነ for ነው የምንጠቀመው ማለት ነው። ሶ ሲ ማለት ትችላላችሁ። she had waited for you dash 4 o'clock ከ4 ሰዓት ጀምሮ starting point of time ነው። እዚህ ደግሞ length አይደለም 4 ሰዓት። ስለዚህ ምንድነው ከ4 ሰዓት ጀምሮ ለማለት ነው እዚህ ጋር 4 o'clock. so she had waited for you since 4 o'clock. the right answer is since. question number 5, they haven't studied for the exam yet, already, just. This one, yet, used with negative. ይሄንን በደንብ አስተውሉ እሺ። so yet የሚለው look I haven't finished yet እስካሁን አልጨረስኩም እንደማለት ነው። yet up to now something is not completed ለማለት ነው። ግን እዚህ ጋር እንድታሰምሩልኝ የምፈልገው ይሄንን በደንብ እንድታስተውሉ ትፈልጋለሁ። I haven't yet, when there is a negative in the present perfect tense, yet is placed as end. okay ዲኛው ጋር negative ሲኖር present perfect tense yet at the end ይመጣል ማለት ነው። okay what's the difference between already and yet? already something happens sooner than expectation. yet ሲሆን ደግሞ something happened up to now but the result is opposite እስካሁን አላለቀም ብለን ነው የምንጠይቀው። ስለዚህ yet is used in negative form in a sentence. ይህንን ኤግዛምፕል ልትወስዱ ትችላላችሁ ማለት ነው። The position of yet is almost at the end of the sentence. ኔጋቲቭ ፎርም ላይ ነው ብዙ ጊዜ the position is at the end ላይ ነው የምንጠቀምበት። ኦኬ don't forget it. ስለዚህን ስፒኪንግ እናያለን ማለት ነው። 9.15 the following table in the following table the causes effects and ways of preventing discrimination are given. ይሄ ማግለል ነው የምትሉት አይደል? መከላከያ መንገዶቹ ኮዞቹ ተገልጸዋል። discuss in group and based on the notes given to you ነው የሚለው። ይሄንን እንግዲህ ለምሳሌ cause of discrimination ምንድነላቸው? ኤጅ ሊሆኑ ይችላሉ፣ disability, ethnicity, origin, political belief, race፣ እነዚህ ዘር ሊሆን ይችላል፣ ሃይማኖት፣ ቋንቋ ሊሆን ይችላል፣ ባህል ሊሆን ይችላል። this is the cause of discrimination. and effect of discrimination ምንድነው? unequal society's experience እኩል ያልሆኑ ነገሮች ይፈጠራሉ በባህል፣ በአካባቢ፣ economic, cultural unity and unity problems ሊፈጠሩ ይችላሉ። ways of preventing respect cultural social differences, respect others religion, culture, ethnicity or race እነዚህ የመሳሰሉትን ምን ማድረግ አለብን ማለት ነው? ሪስፔክት ማድረግ አለብን ማለት ነው። ሰው እስኪ ተወያዩባቸው እነዚህን። ሌላው ደግሞ እነዚህን በመጠቀም in Ethiopia there are strong belief policy also developed that there should not be any educational discrimination among citizens. Discuss with partner how discrimination associated with issues raised below ይላል። እነዚህን በመጠቀም እንግዲህ የራሳችሁን ሀሳብ ልትገልጹ ትችላላችሁ። እስኪ ተወያዩበት። ኦኬ and then present perfect tense በመጠቀም in group choose any three hints given and ask questions each other in turns. Respond using present perfect tense ይላል። where have you traveled? Where have you traveled? Still we are talking about present perfect tense አይደለ? የት ሂደህ ታውቃለህ? I have traveled to Asmara. I have traveled to Dubai or Addis Ababa. This is የምትመልሱት በpresent perfect tense ነው ማለት ነው። why have you gone to Gondar? I have gone to Gondar to visit the historical castles. This is so እነዚህም ለማመት ትችላላችሁ። descriptive essay ባለፈ ነገራችኋለሁ ወይም ገላጭ ድርሰቶችን እንዴት እንዲሆኑ vivid vocabularies, vivid adjectives መጠቀም ግልጽ የሆኑ ወይም the words should create an image in your mind. ማይንዳችን ላይ ሊስሉ የሚችሉ ምስል ሊከስቱ የሚችሉ ወርዶችን መጠቀም እንዳለባችሁ ባለፈ ተነጋ። እስቲ እነዚህን እናያቸው። እዚህኛው ጋር ልናየው እንችላለን። ሶሪ ይሄንን ፒክቸር እዩት። እስኪ ምን ታያላችሁ? the two women here, the old woman and the young one here. መርሃዊ just walked outside her grandmother እዚህ ጋር ቁጭ ብለዋል። ገላጭ ነው። ለምሳሌ ይህንን ስዕል ባታዩት መርሃዊት ከቤት እየወጣች ነው። እናቷ ቁጭ ብለዋል። her grandmother, she wear apron. So far she has finished cleaning and washing. She has also gathered seeds on crumbs. Now Merhaut and grandmother outside ውጭ ላይ ናቸው እንደምታዩት። Merhaut just dropped some seeds on the ground to feed birds. እዚህ ጋር የሆነ እህል ነገር እየበተነች ነው አይደል? The birds have not yet come. No birds as you see here. And the old man did here. The old woman when grandmother እዚህ ጋር ቁጭ እንዳሉ ያሳያል። Recent grandmother had lived in the Merhaut's family. She now enjoys living with them. Grandmother had already sat down on the bench ላይ እንደተቀመጡ ያሳያል አይደል? She has also wears apron. Both wears apron. Yeah, apron ምንድን ነው students? It is the clothes that tie around the waist ወይም በጀርባቸው ላይ የሚታሰር ስራ ስንሰራ የምንጠቀምበት ነው። ምንድነው? ሽርጥ ነው አይደል የሚባለው። የስራ በተለይ ሆቴልስ ወይም ምግብ ቤት ስንሰራ ወይም ምግብ ስንሰራ የምንጠቀምበት። እዚህ ጋር ያሉ ሴትዮ ደግሞ ምን እያደረጉ ነው? an old man with eyeglass knitting እያደረጉ ነው። with curl hair እኛው ጋር ደግሞ ከታች የሚሰሩት ነገር አለ። እሱን በደንብ መግለጽ ትችላላችሁ ማለት ነው። this is all about students today's topic እንግዲህ ዛሬ የተማርነው ይሄንን ይመስላል ማለት ነው። to recap main points about today, we have just discussed the difference between simple past tense and the present perfect tense. Difference-ን አይተናል ማለት ነው. And also we practiced exercises more. So next I'm gonna meet you in another video unit 10 ላይ እንገናኛለን ማለት ነው next video ላይ. Bye bye until next time students.